Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollock. I am an attorney that helps other attorneys and their clients ethically, strategically, and proactively engage the court of public opinion to help those clients resolve their cases favorably and to help those attorneys build their practices. I wanted to give you a tip on building relationships with reporters quickly when you haven't had the opportunity to speak with a particular reporter before. As I said in another video, I don't think relationships are the reasons why reporters choose to cover particular stories. I don't think that a reporter will necessarily automatically cover a case you're working on because they know you. However, when you build relationships with reporters in the short term and the long term, your clients and your firm will benefit because reporters, as they get to know you, like you, and trust you, will come to you for stories that they think could be of use to their readers and to the public, and they will also be willing to talk to you when you can opine on some issue or area of the law that's within their coverage. So relationships are not the end-all be-all for stories, but they are helpful in getting your firm and your clients publicity in the short term and the long term. So the quick tip is to just do 5 minutes worth of research on a reporter before you email them and pitch them with whatever you're pitching them. Go on their Twitter feeds, look at what they've been tweeting about, both personally and professionally. Make sure you've reviewed the past few months' worth of articles they've written. Depending on the publication and depending on their beat, you might have a dozen articles, you might have 2 dozen, you might have 5. It all depends. But take a look at what they're writing about and see if you can figure out certain themes that go beyond their beat, but certain themes that they tend to convey through their coverage, or themes that seem to be popping up in the articles that they are writing. By looking at their Twitter feeds, by looking at what they are writing about, you can form an introductory paragraph or two that shows the reporter that you've actually taken 5 minutes to get to know them and that you are pitching them on the story because you know, based on their coverage, that this is the kind of lawsuit or your firm is doing the kind of work that that reporter would be interested in. Generally speaking, people are lazy. When they talk to reporters, when they pitch reporters, people are lazy. By you taking 5 minutes to research a reporter, research what they've written, what they like, what they don't like, and spending a few minutes to include that information in an email or even in a phone call, you are going to separate yourself from the pack, and you are going to be quickly on the road of getting a reporter to know you, like you, and trust you, and eventually that reporter viewing you as a resource that they could count on in their stories. All it takes is a few minutes to get to know a reporter, convey that information, and you will be standing out from the pack.